Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by lining up the cursor and confirming the target is unlocked and visible. Press and hold the primary button, then move straight down about 0.5 to 1 inch to initiate the drag. This vertical entry creates a reliable anchor point. Why it matters is stability. It prevents accidental offsets later. Once the down motion is complete, maintain steady pressure and avoid sideways wiggles, so the system registers a clean initial vector before you transition to the upward phase. Once you have a secure down anchor, smoothly reverse direction into the upward drag. You want a fluid motion. Think of it as a controlled curve rather than a sharp flip, because the system interprets continuity better than abrupt changes. Accelerate slightly through the middle of the stroke to carry momentum and reduce stutter. Make sure to watch object feedback. If snapping or jitter appears, pause, relax pressure, and re-establish the down anchor before trying the up sweep again, so the whole gesture completes predictably. Finish by carrying the upward drag to your intended endpoint and release the button only when the object sits stable. Premature release causes drift. If alignment is off, immediately undo and repeat with a slower, straighter motion to reinforce the pattern. Make sure to inspect sensitivity or smoothing settings if errors persist. Lower responsiveness often improves control. One key troubleshooting tip: if jitter repeats, clean your input device and reduce pointer sensitivity. Then re-establish the down anchor before retrying the full down-up drag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.